Hi, I'm Ujesh Desai, and I'm the Vice President and General Manager of the Logitech G Gaming Group. And we're here at CES, and we're going to take a look at our new G502 Proteus Spectrum gaming mouse that we just announced. The G502 builds on the heritage of the G502 Proteus core. So it's got the same PMW3366 optical sensor that goes from 200 DPI all the way to 12,000 DPI. It's got full custom weight tuning, so you can add weights to the bottom of the mouse. You can change the weights that you want. It has 11 different buttons, including active DPI shifts. So say you want to go from 1100 DPI to say maybe 200 DPI to make that great sniper shot. You can do that by pressing one of these DPI shift buttons here. It's got an amazing free scroll wheel in the middle, so you can actually go free scroll to make it very, very easy to view your web pages. And the biggest update we did, obviously in the version that's called the Proteus Spectrum versus the Proteus Core, is adding now support for Rgb lighting. So we now support over 16.8 million colors. Why don't we go take a closer look? Okay, so here we're looking at our Logitech gaming software. You can download this for free off our website, and we recommend that you do to really take the most advantage of your Logitech G gaming gear. So here we're looking at, as I mentioned, the 200 all the way to 12,000 DPI. And I'm using, my default here is 1450, so you can see I have a nice smooth mouse. But what if I wanted to do that sniper shot that I mentioned, where you can assign it to the shift button, which is right down here, and when I click that, notice we automatically go to a nice slower 200 DPI, so I can get off that sniper shot. Once I'm done, let go, and I go back. So that's one of the neat features of the product. I mentioned the Rgb lighting, so here's where you can go in and mess with that. So here's where you can configure all of your Rgb lighting. Has over 16.8 million colors. You change it. One of the things that you'll notice here is I've got sync active. So we now, in our new software, have all of the Logitech G gaming gear. So we can actually add different gaming gear here, and then we can decide, okay, we want to synchronize all of our gaming gear. So I'll go in here and I can synchronize. I just added my headsets. So I can now go here, and if you look at Sync Active, the headset's now been added, and I've synchronized all my colors across all of my Logitech G gaming gear. And that works even if you do some of the different effects. So say you wanted to go into the color cycle, it automatically color cycles, keeps everything locked in step across your mouse, your keyboard, and your headset. Okay, so speaking of the keyboard, this is our G410 keyboard. And let me show you some of the cool things we can do with lighting in the keyboard to make it more functional as opposed just aesthetic. So we can actually go in here, hit enable per profile backlighting, and now if you look at the keys here, based on the game that I pick, it automatically changes the lighting on the keyboard on a per game basis. And with our new LGS software, we actually have support for over 300 games out of the box. And we're adding support for even more by working with all of the developers. So that's a great new feature that you just get for free just by downloading our Logitech gaming software. So finally, the price of the brand new G502 Proteus Spectrum is exactly the same as the Proteus Core, so it's €89, and it will be available in early January.